So this device uses 3 different modes. It has a straight bright light mode, they call it. It has a pulse mode and an infrared mode. It works off of 5 different wavelengths. All right, I got the Viconor red light device. This is an infrared light with 5 LEDs, 5 wavelengths, and pulsed modes. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this up and take a look. First off, very nice packaging. Be a great gift item. I mean, it looks really good. And let's see what we get inside of here. It's got some product specs on the back for you. Let's open it up. Wow, very nice case. Zippered case. Let's see what we got in here. All right, it's got plastic off everything so you can see it. So, case itself is about 8.5 inches by 6 inches or so. You get a set of instructions in here. You get the actual light itself, which I gotta say is built very nicely. Very nice metal device. You can see the 5 LEDs in there. On-off switch on here, and it's got a little hole in here because it comes with a wrist strap if you want to use it. You just feed that through there and tie it on. It also comes with a set of green glasses, which I think are pretty cool. Everything just turned green. We've got 2 batteries that it comes with and a USB charger, which is about maybe 2 foot long. Let's get this going. We'll charge this guy up. We got 2 batteries in a nice case right here. These are 18650 lithium batteries, very common lithium battery. Let's start charging one of these guys up. Out of the way. Let's open this up and see how easy it is to put the battery in. Just unscrews. There's a little plastic case in here. Protective case for the battery. That's just going to slide in there. Get the spring portion on the bottom and screw this back on. And simple as that. And it comes with a little travel pouch this guy fits into. You know, again, something this size is going to be great for travel. You could put this in your purse, your luggage. This whole case can go in your luggage. You could put it in your pocket even. One of the cool features of this product is that it runs in a 10-minute cycle. So if you were to turn this on and leave it on, it would time itself out automatically after 10 minutes. The advantage to that would be if you left it on, it would just turn itself off after 10 minutes. Or if you wanted to use this device in 10-minute cycles, it would just shut itself off and you know 10 minutes is up. That's pretty cool. It's got 9 different button settings. I'm going to try not to point this at the camera. If you press this button once, all the LEDs come on. This is a combo of red, near infrared, and blue. If you press it again, all infrareds come on, but it goes into pulse mode. When you press it the 3rd time, the red light comes on at 630 and 660 nanometers. Press it again, you've got the red 630 and red 660 nanometers in the pulse mode. When you press it the 5th time, you've got only the near infrared at 850 and 950 nanometers. If you press it a 6th time, you've got the same thing, near infrared at 850 and 950, but in pulse mode. If you press it the 7th time, you have only the blue light at 460 nanometers. When you press it the 8th time, you get the blue light at 460 nanometers, but in pulse mode. And when you press it the 9th time, the device turns off. All these different options for light. Let you know it comes with a nice set of instructions here, and these instructions can also be downloaded in PDF form right on the product page up there. When you hold this thing in your hand, it really feels like a well-built device. You can feel that it's something stellar. It's not getting, I've had this thing on for a little bit. It's not getting hot in my hand at all, which is important to me. But the packaging it comes with is just absolutely, I think, nice. The box it came in is wonderful. Great for a gift item. Great for travel. Great to put in your purse or your pocket and carry with you to work or wherever you might want to take it. If the red light devices are something you're into, check out this one by Viconor. Check it out.